Once I'd pinned my paper to the wall, I started doing a sketch for my reference image with graphite stick. And then I used a mixture of acrylic paint and printing ink and just painted straight onto my sketch. For most of the drawing, I used a very diluted solution apart from the explosion, which was more or less raw paint. You can see here, using much more diluted solution, I had a very small paintbrush, which was not ideal. Originally, I had planned to leave the World Trade Center towers as unpainted and only ink sort of pen drawings. I used a crink marker for the details on the buildings. But it looked too strange just being blank canvas, so I went and painted over with a diluted solution of my acrylic. Quite happy with how this turned out as an analogue underdrawing. I think it was definitely influenced by the amount of digital painting that I've been doing. And there was always an intention to paint digitally on top. Things like the black cloud of smoke at the top and the explosion, I know that they're going to be digitally enhanced. So this next stage, I just start putting down a lot of other colour, a lot of texture. I know things like the bottom half of the image is going to be darker, there's going to be more debris, and using filters, using different texture brushes, I know I can get the effect that I'm after. Also doing a lot of enhancing of the sort of the sky, colour points in the explosion where there's the sort of shock white colour coming through, and then things like the top part of the painting with the cloud. I'm happy with it. Turned out well as a splash image.